Hi everybody, what is crack-a-lackin'? We've got a Tesla right here. This Tesla is tore up from the floor up when we're talking about the fender. Right there. Look at this is Aaron. It's some buffing compound right there.
Just a little bit on your finger.
What's up, Aaron? Aaron is from Australia, and he's here for some polished up advanced skills training, and we just came back from the Mega Media event in Colorado. But now we're gonna put him to test on this Tesla. So what's your thoughts on this, dude?
It's pretty gnarly. It's pretty whack, quite hard. It's yeah, nice and deep, double body line. It doesn't get much tougher, I don't think.
No, it's not going to get much tougher.
We're gonna have to Bryce Kelly it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to Bryce Kelly this, dude. All right, so we decided to take off. We're gonna take off the hood because we need all the leverage we can here. We wanna go left side, we wanna go right side. We wanna be able to use both hands we can, all the leverage we can, because these dents are not freaking easy. And by the way, we are Tesla certified, meaning we're actually, let me take that back. We are certified to power down Tesla vehicles in case we needed to. Now there are some dangerous cables around the vehicle, but in this case, I don't think we're going to need to power it down at all on this Tesla. But on the Model S's, Model 10s, or Model X's, in some cases, it's very common to power them down, especially if you have a dent on the power port area.
Just push the bracket down a little bit. Yep, I'm gonna take.
There you go. This car is dirty. How's that working?
It's getting there.
Not bad, huh? It's getting... We're gonna check out the Tesla. Aaron's learning some blending stuff here. Yeah. And he's blended down the little crowns there, so not bad. How you like that blending hammer?
Really nice.
Let me take a quick look at that.
I've had a few.
Which blending? Brazilians, right? Yeah. And we put a little handle on it.
It's just not, like, it's just a really nice weight. I mean, I was using that one to start with.
How you like that
Crown Killer.
one? Yeah, the Crown Jewel.
Crown Jewel, yeah, that's nice. And then I was using Daniel's one as well.
Do you have that one at home?
I bought that at MME.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful hammer too, man.
So I'm just kind of switching between that and that one as well.
Oh yeah, that one I highly recommend. Where's the tip? Oh, you put the tip on that one.
I put the tip on this, the heavier one.
Yeah.
So
just a little tip right. And see how he's got his hand resting on the panel. He's got a lot more control that way. All right, it's chilly in here. We got this last dent we got to do, and then a little bit of cleanup here. We're gonna try. I think we're gonna try a killer whale tail. We're gonna try it from the bottom. Okay. What we're gonna do is the killer whale tail. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put some glue on it, hot glue, and then we're gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna push underneath. We're also gonna use some flat bars, of course, from the top. We're gonna do whatever we can again to see if we can remove that nasty one right there. I'm gonna go right here.
Yeah.
Remember that low spot
that
there?
line there, you're gonna try and make.
Yeah. I don't want to make any more low or highs in there, so just kind of letting it give me whatever I can take on this.
Now, if this is a little too confusing, what you can do if you're using lines is that you bring the line board in closer. What it will do is get rid of too much, well, technically, it'll get rid of the details and only show the obvious. That's what happens when you have a nasty dent that shows too much detail. So that's what you want to do. For me personally, it's perfect for me. For the camera view, I am shooting in a GoPro, so you might not see exactly the way I'm seeing it in this particular shot. What's that?
You can really see the lines starting to come out.
Yep.
Not necessarily there.
All right, guys. Even if this doesn't work, this is a tech tip for you guys who need to like soften your tip up. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to put some glue on here. Go ahead. You're right. We're going to put some glue on the killer whale tail, a nice little, and then he's going to cover the tip too as well. Yeah, there you go.
They're like super aggressive, but not poking it up.
So what are you using now, Aaron?
The VIP 3.0 with the pivot tip.
Yeah.
In there.
Yeah. Just a tiny bit pinched here. Almost got that tiny bit micro low there. Just noticed it was. I actually fixed a little bit of this one. I was doing a demo, but it was twice as deep as this one right there, guys.
Now Aaron's using a cherry cap, the new version, which I've never seen pop off, and this is from Ultra Dent Tools. So he's side loading the metal near the body line. He's bringing the bottom part of the dent up towards the body line. He has to gather metal, so when he goes to tap down, it wants to tap down. When there's no metal put back in towards the center and you go to tap down, what you're going to do is force tap down, and you'll make a lot of mistaps, a lot of micro lows. And each one of those lows generally cost any technician a minimum of 5 to 15 minutes a piece.
Just knocking down the shoulders a bit again.
It wants to move now, dude.
Now what I'm doing is I'm bringing the metal as usual to the center, but I'm also watching the lines. If the lines are getting too thin on the edge, meaning the side of the low, the border, the side walls, if they're getting too skinny, then that I've got to stop. I've got to open it up. I'm going to tap down, and that's what I'm actually teaching Aaron too. Hey, watch how you push, keep it clean, move the board all the time. It doesn't matter if you have a line board reflection or you have a fog board reflection. You've got to pay attention to the surroundings of the metal, what it's doing, how it's reacting, and then your reflection is going to tell you the truth, because you are Sherlock and your board, your reflection is Watson. So remember that. It will never lie to you if you ask it to show you the truth.
Wicked job there, mate. How you
Pretty-
feel about it, dude?
Yeah, awesome. Really happy that we ended up like that. I mean, it's awesome. Really good job. I'm super happy with it. I didn't think we were going to get it like that, but you know, with the right tools and the right tips and your guidance, yeah, proof's in the pudding.
Look at that, dude. I mean, jeez, man. I mean, we want to get technical. Dude, the body line is absolutely amazing, dude. I mean, I think we just, I'm not going to say nothing, dude. If you guys want to pick this apart, go ahead. But it's one thing to pick apart and then you do it yourself. So, good job, dude. That body line up there is great. That one's great. Really good job, dude. And take away the light for me, please. What dent? Just amazing, dude. Really good job. Dude. It's a freaking fantastic job. Good job.
Well, folks, I hope you guys enjoyed this repair. And if you ever get a chance to meet Aaron or talk to Aaron, give him a pat on the back, will you? He did a fantastic job. I hope you guys learned a lot from this. I know I did as I was teaching him. And congratulations, Aaron, if you're seeing this. Excellent job, mate. I don't think I could have done a better job myself. Take care.